Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Math with Jawad. In last lecture we will discuss about algebra, like and unlike terms. And in this lecture we will discuss about simplification of algebraic expression. How to simplify an algebraic expression. In this lecture we will discuss completely, inshallah. Simple example, for example, 2x plus 9 plus 4x plus 11. This is a simple algebraic expression. Look at this, in which two like terms mean 2x and 4x are like terms, 9 and 11 are like terms. In the last lecture, I will discuss, I will discuss only like terms are add and subtract each other. Mean 2x and 4x, 9 plus 11. Okay, then take sum 2 plus 4, 6x, and 9 plus 11, 20. This is a simple algebraic expression to simplify. Only like terms are add and subtract, and again last result is called simplification of algebraic expression. Why? Because it is algebraic expression, it is an algebraic expression, but easily simplified algebraic expression, it is expand algebraic expression. Another example, we can solve it. 4x square 7x plus 4y 3x square plus 8y plus 2. See? Okay, this is another algebraic expression in which we look at this term and this term are like terms. We combine these like terms 3x square and 3x square, then 7x and 2x. 7x plus 2x and 4y and 8y. We add 4y plus 8y. Then 4 plus 3, 7x, because this is x square and this is only x. So these are different terms, unlike terms. So 7x square, 7 plus 2, 9x, and 4 plus 8, 12y. This is a simplified algebraic expression, and this is the answer of this algebraic expression. Another type of algebraic expression to solve, how to simplify. For example, 4 into x plus 1 plus 3 into 2x plus 7. And this is another form of algebraic expression, and it goes to simplify. Then 4 multiply x and 4 multiply by 1, because 4 multiply by x and 4 multiply by 1. Then result is 4 ones are 4. Like this, 3 multiply 2 and 3 multiply 7. Then 3 2s are 6x and 3 7s are 21. Then we add 4x and 6x and 4 plus 21. 4 plus 6, because these are two, both terms are like terms, then 10x, and this is 25. Okay, this is a simplified algebraic expression. These are the three types of the algebraic expression in which we will discuss that these are how to simplify. In next lecture we will discuss inshallah about different types of algebraic expression to simplify. Thank you.